Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today we are going to be making, guess what? A delicious seafood pasta salad, guys. Quick and easy, absolutely delicious, and it's number one when it comes to those cookouts. Anyway, without further ado, let's introduce these ingredients and get started. First things up is our pre-cooked pasta. Strained it off, washed it in cold water, shock it a little bit to stop the cooking process. And we also have some red and green bell peppers, as well as some diced celery. Not to mention the red onions up here. We also have our extra small, not medium, but extra small shrimp. And these are already pre-cooked and they come pre-cooked in the freezer section. We also have some imitation lobster right here, as well as some white crab meat. And for our seasonings, we have paprika. We also have some onion powder, garlic powder in the house. And we also have some black pepper as well as salt, mayo, of course, our relish, or should I say sweet relish. Of course, if you want to get dill relish, you could use dill as well, but this is the sweet one. And of course, we have some Old Bay. To make this delicious seafood crab salad, what we're going to do first is, guys, and I find this way easy, I'm going to add my mayo to the bowl, just like this. Rather than adding it to the top of the pasta, I'm going to take about maybe 3 spoons of mayo, just like that. And right to the mayo, we are going to add our lemon juice. Make sure you put it face down so when you squeeze on it, it's going to come through right there. Just like that. Little squeeze of lemon juice. Perfect. We're going to give it a good mix really quickly. And we are going to go in with our celery, our bell peppers, red onions. Make sure we get all those red onions out. If you don't like red onions, of course, you can always use yellow onions, or you can just exclude it from this recipe as well. This is perfect. And of course, if I need to add more mayo, I'm just gonna go in there and add more mayo, only if necessary. All right, and it's time for us to add our shrimp, guys. And we're gonna go in with our lobster meat, add it to the bowl as well. And for those of you who might be a little bit like not sure where to get it from, of course, this is what it looks like. You get it from the freezer section and the seafood section. Give it a good mix. Combine everything. This seafood salad is gonna be so delicious. Oh my goodness. This is something else already. And trust me, if you don't want to add pasta, you could just leave it as a straight seafood salad. Take away the pasta. Add in that sweet relish. And of course, I'm not measuring because it's all based on the amount of stuff that you prefer in your seafood pasta salad. If you like a lot of sweet relish, of course, add the sweet relish. If you like a lot of shrimp, add a lot of shrimp. No compromising, basically. Just add whatever you want to add. Perfect. Next things up, we are going to add our pasta to the mix. This is about 16 ounces, 1 pound of pasta. And I'm just going to add the entire thing. Mix it in real good. Take your time at this point because your bowl should be overflowing. Not to mention, you can make it for yourself just to sit back and relax, enjoy it. Pair it with some crackers, and boy, you are in business. Absolutely delicious. And it's pretty, right? You see those different color contrasts peeking through with the bell peppers as well as the lobster. And what I like about this recipe too, it's so affordable and cost efficient. It's like literally not only tasty, but it's cost efficient. That's the main important thing. All right, I forgot to add my crab meat, so I'm gonna go in, add it to the mix, just like that. And of course, you could always use lump crab, or you can use king crab, totally up to you. Combine it, mix it in real well. Whenever you're adding the seafood, add it all together, like after you add the mayo and everything, just like I did. Add all of the seafood together so that way it's incorporated really easily. Because I added it towards the end, it's going to take a little bit longer for me to incorporate everything because I want to make sure this crab meat is like well incorporated throughout the pasta. All right, this should be good. Time for some flavor. So I'm going to add some salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Just to give it that extra flavor. I'm going to also go in there with some brown black pepper. Just like that. And we are going to add a little garlic powder. And once again, no measurements are going to be in the description bar. I'm just going to include the seasonings that I use as well as the ingredients, because this is basically up to the amount that you're going to be making. And we are going to also add some Old Bay, of course. Make sure I hold on to this cover because this thing has a way of like literally coming off. The top always comes off. And let's see, give it a good mix. At this point, you're gonna go in and taste it, make sure everything is perfect to your liking, of course. And last but not least, we're gonna top it off with a little bit of paprika. And that's it, guys. Seafood pasta salad done. Took about what, 10 minutes in total. In regards to like chopping up the veggies and stuff, that was like another 10 minutes, but as far as putting it together, 10 minutes flat. Yeah, so that's it, guys, that's it. There you have it, seafood pasta salad. Definitely give it a try. You're gonna fall in love with it. It's absolutely delicious. Definitely #1 at any cookout. Anyway, guys, catch me in another video. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.